Hi, Andrew. Hi, Maria. Yeah, the winds are pretty sporadic, but when they do pick up, you're right, they are gusting very hard. And that's why we've seen CAL FIRE firefighters just hanging out here in this gas station parking lot this afternoon, kind of keeping a watchful eye on dry fields like this one, fearful that if a fire does break out, it could move fairly quickly in the distance towards Campo. Thursday morning, the winds noticeably picked up, pushing west across East San Diego County.
It comes and goes, but it's not constant, so there's a lot of breaks, which is nice.
Daniel White and his kids have been without electricity since Wednesday night, with winds gusting so hard. SDG&E shut off power to some in over a half dozen cities and communities like Boulevard, Descanso, and Ramona, hoping to prevent an accidental electrical spark, knowing a fire would spread quickly if one broke out. Daniel guesses the winds feel like they're going about 40 to 50 miles per hour.
Yeah, this huge pine cone fell out of one of the large trees we have here, and they're super heavy. I'm going to say it's about at least 5 pounds.
But if it's just for a short time, we can handle it, because I understand why they have to do that.
Behind Sharon Bennett sits about a dozen seniors, many of them without power or a backup generator at home. That's why they come here to the Community Health Center in Campo.
This was a blessing. A huge blessing for a lot of people.
2,800 kids in Mountain Empire Unified Schools will sit home the next 2 days. The district spanning 660 square miles, covering a number of the cities where the power has been turned off. Yeah, and coming back out live, you can see this tree, just a little bit of wind at the moment. Like I said, very sporadic. We know thousands are without power here in East County right now. Could be tens of thousands, though, by tomorrow. SDG&E is hopeful that, assuming the Santa Anas died down here this weekend without any kind of incident, that everybody could be back with their power back on by about 6 p.m. Saturday night. Guys.